Nini, a dreamy little girl, loves watching her mom cook. One night, Nini opens the door to the kitchen and discovers it has transformed into a magical realm. Inside the magical kitchen, Nini encounters a friendly little lion who informs her that this kitchen belongs to dreamers and is full of wonders. The lion invites Nini to explore this magical kitchen together. As Nini and the lion step into the kitchen, they see the kitchen utensils and tools come to life, dancing around with vitality and joy. Nini and the lion join the dance of the kitchen tools, feeling the energy and happiness of the kitchen. They see pots leaping, spoons twirling, ovens playing pianos, and refrigerators blowing trumpets. This magical kitchen excites Nini and sparks her curiosity. She wants to learn more about the secrets of the kitchen. On the other side of the kitchen, Nini discovers a door that leads to a storage room. The room is filled with various ingredients and seasonings, such as vegetables, fruits, rice, flour, and spices. Nini is amazed by the diversity of these ingredients and begins to learn how to identify them and understand their roles in cooking. Nini continues her adventure in the magical kitchen. The water looks so hot. Will Nini get burned? What will Nini do in the next episode? I hope you like the story. Have a nice day. Nini continues her adventure in the magical kitchen.
Wow, look at that! The water is bubbling and steaming.
Yes, Nini, that water is very hot. Be careful not to touch it. You could get burned.
Okay, I'll be careful.
Good. Now let's learn how to handle that sharp knife.
This looks sharp.
It is. That's why you need to be very careful when you use it.
How should I hold it?
Like this.
Like this?
Yes, that's good. Now let's practice cutting some vegetables.
This is fun.
I'm glad you're enjoying it, but remember to be careful.
What's that?
It's a machine that can mix ingredients together, but you need to be careful when you use it, because it can be dangerous if you don't turn it off before you touch it.
Nini learns to unplug the mixer and handle it safely.
Good. Now, let's look at this smoke alarm.
What's that?
It's a device that makes a loud sound if it detects smoke or heat. It's important to have one in your kitchen in case of a fire.
I didn't know that.
Now, you do. And remember, kitchen safety is very important. Always be careful when you're cooking.
I will, Lion. Thank you for teaching me about kitchen safety.
You're welcome, Nini. I'm glad I could help.
After listening to Lion, Nini understood the importance of kitchen safety. There's something glowing in the corner. Will Nini find it out? I hope you like the story. Have a nice day. In the corner of the kitchen, a lamp that stood out from its surroundings glowed brightly. Curious, Nini touched it, and suddenly, a thin, wispy genie appeared. He exclaimed that he was hungry and begged Nini to prepare a delicious meal. This challenge was an opportunity for Nini. Excitedly, she selected ingredients, planned a menu, prepared the ingredients, and cooked a stunning dish. Nini utilized her knowledge and skills learned from her kitchen adventures. She cleverly used ingredients and seasonings, showcasing her creativity and culinary talent. Nini successfully prepared a delicious dish, and the genie joyfully enjoyed Nini's creation. He felt extremely satisfied. This experience allowed Nini to know the joy and sense of accomplishment in cooking. The satiated genie returned to his original form. As it turned out, he was the flame genie responsible for guarding the kitchen's safety. To express his gratitude to Nini, the genie gave Nini some tips for preventing accidents. Nini told her parents what she had learned from Magical Kitchen. And together with her parents, they posted sticky notes in various corners of the kitchen. She promised to be more careful and responsible in using fire and electricity in the kitchen. Follow Nini's action. You can download and print the tips in video descriptions. I hope you like the story. Have a nice day.